Okay, I think I'm back right now, and looks like there's no dropped frames so far as I can see. That is nice. Did you guys see any dropped frames right now? I mean, how is the quality of the stream? I hope it's okay right now. Yeah, I'm actually a little bit dropping frames right now. Not so much actually. Andre, hello, welcome. Yeah, the streams looks fixed right now. I mean, I don't see too much dropped frames. Little bit actually I can see on the OBS Studio. Yeah, everything seems okay. I mean, the sound settings and the resolution itself seems okay so far. I mean, I hope to check to see if everything is okay. Let me press recheck the stream quality. And the Twitch gave us the old. That's nice. Twitch gave us all the possible resolutions right now. Yeah, that is great. I mean, that's nice. Okay, everything seems right now. I am not dropping so many frames as far as I can see. Maybe I just for the take it as a guarantee, maybe I just need to little bit lower to frame bitrate. Yeah, I just lowered bitrate and everything seems okay so far. That is nice. So let's start with the first clash of the night. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copy the link and updated my command, so you can type exclamation mark link to the chat to get the current link. That's weird. I mean, maybe we just start the stream too early. I mean, it is 9 p.m. in Turkey actually. Mega, welcome. So let's wait for 2 minutes also, I mean. I just restart the stream because of the top frames. Everything seems okay right now. I mean, the quality of the string seems okay so far. I'm not dropping any frames and yeah. Okay, let's not wait too much let's launch the clash. So maybe people can join after while we are clashing, or after the next one probably. I designed a responsible count of the number of people getting off. Oh, I just remember this one. I could have solved this one in the past. You are given a number of stops in the bus line N and the number of entering inside a bus of the X stop S. And how many stops a specific person stayed inside the bus actively given. The terminus is located after the last station N+1. Also note that the time duration of each person given can be greater than the remaining amount of the stops, which would mean that the person will stay until the end of the ride. We consider that the bus has an unlimited capacity. Nobody enters the bus at the terminus stop and everybody gets off the bus terminal. As an output, the number of people getting off at the terminus. Taksi hayır İngilizce ama Türkçe yazabilirsin chat'e. Yani Türkçe'de cevap verebilirim. Bro selamlar, hoş geldin. So these are the stops can be stay in the each station, and these are what are the line 2, a space separated list S contains of n integers describing how many people enter the bus at the X stop. So total of this one, I mean, isn't that the case? Maybe. No, that's not the case. I couldn't understand this one properly. Okay, this is the this is the entering people count, and this is the each person will stay in the bus. Oh, okay. I will get this one. So there's only 5 people here, as you can see here, 1 plus 2 plus 2. So these are that 5 peoples. No, that's not the case. No, it's not like that. For example, for this one, it won't work like that. There's a... No, actually it works. Yeah, I mean... Maybe for other ones? I understand the question right now. That means 3, 5, 10 people, and these are the all 10 people remaining times in the bus. Maybe I just need to assign for these ones and as an array, for example. That means how many times? Every time it has 2, okay. And this is the P here. I actually calculating on P here. So var array is P. So okay, these are the number of times that is left in there. maybe while we're starting from is 1 e less than array.lang e plus plus and itself for var is starting with 0, starting with no, not e is starting with 0, is starting less than I here, and j plus plus and array j minus minus. So I have to decrease for every bus stop they have been passed. Or maybe after that, just why wouldn't just we calculate the array count I bigger than 0. This will test cases like that. Cool, maybe. Oh. So what am I missing here? This has to be like that. I mean, programmer, welcome. I strongly feel like that I'm missing something here, but so every bus stop I actually decrease with 1, which is the, for example, the count itself decreasing, and the items are. For example, for this one, if it is, it will take the 2 bus stops. After this one, it should be, it shouldn't be on the bus. Okay, looks like maybe I misunderstand the question itself. I mean, I first of all, actually, I thought it will be I didn't know though. I just submitted. Maybe we can check Andreas code. Okay, let's all of the people will complete it. It's actually fun question. Difficulty it might not be that hard, but I think little statements. I mean, maybe I just didn't understand. Maybe I just say clear enough. Okay, Andres said just add the number of the bus stops with the number of bus stops that person will stay in. Check if it is greater than the number of stops. Oh, you're right. Let's check your code. SP here, Q0, SK0. Oh, you're right, yeah. I mean, I definitely misunderstand the question actually. You're actually adding all the bus stops has an index number, and with the number itself, I mean, with that adding that number to the person will stay in as a bus stops, and you will check if it is longer or equal than the total bus stops, it is okay, it will reach the terminus at the end. But if it is not, then it won't be reached at the end. Yeah, I mean, yeah, there is not. I have really no idea why you just couldn't even think like that. That's nice. I mean, thanks to Andrea. So let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copied the link and updated my command, so you can type ! link to the chat to get the current link. The great difficulty is that all the values were on the same line. If they separate lines, it would be easier. Yeah, I mean, you're right. I was able to solve your Other puzzle with just conversation to the smooth. Alice, welcome. Emir, hello, welcome. Thanks for the follow. Okay, you don't even need to promote your channel. I mean, it's not cool at all. I'm giving you timeout. Maybe we just need to. Please don't let a few bad apples spoil the bunch. Yeah, exactly. I mean, but I really don't like the people. I mean, we are not even some famous streamers. I mean, I'm not even one of them. Why someone came to my stream and shares its channel? I almost tried to mod the other things, Nightbot exactly. Yeah, exactly, Alice. You're right. Maybe just we just give them a timeout and they will rethink maybe. Okay, we are now 8 players. Let's launch the clash. The reverse mode. No. I didn't get the level curve determining how much zero padding to do, but it was straightforward enough. Maybe oh, might it can be at the end also. There's a brute force approach. Said Alice. There's a brute force, just generate all the possible and use regex to search. So that's how I done in the past, but I'm trying to clean solution. I'm not familiar with regex too much, but I just know a few basic stuff, but so you have 0 to 3. Third is 2 streams, so maybe I should check the third first. Is pull that one. First string. Maybe I should create something like that, because if it is that one, so if s contain plus character or else, that means I should add first and second. Which character should return here? First plus second minus 4. Maybe first just need to increment this one and plus string? Is this string? Max. Not anymore. They are character now. yeah, this should work actually, and else that means it's a minus, so maybe return but it is less than 65. I should add 26 either. First minus and 4 is I just var it is less than 65. Maybe I just need to add this value to 26. Yeah. If it is not, I should return itself. And this ASCII value I should return here as a character. I hope this makes sense. For example, should we work on the first test case actually? Let's check it. Oops, it won't work. Of course, there is a no else part here. It is not. That means there is a question mark inside of the expression. If first is question mark, else is something like that. So that means maybe return. You can check. I don't know. But of course, since it is char returning here, let's check first one. First one should work in this case. Oh, I didn't just. This equal replace the question mark with the to equal. Okay, let's try this one. Yeah, it works like the first one, but the rest of them, I'm not sure how working with ASCII charts could be an enterprise level of coding interview question. Couldn't be bothered to deal with the Frinky wraparound behavior. Yeah, exactly. I mean, I wish there is some built-in way to calculate like this. I mean, if this is, so what was the present? That means it's an inside of a question mark. If it is first one is question mark, I should also check here the something which is plus or full. If not, there is a, that means it's a minus here. Yeah, since Alice almost solved in 10 minutes, I will probably solve in a day. So if this contains plus, that means I have to decrease the part one to the second one. So I also check these ones as well. Wait a second, there is also might be overflow. Oof. Yeah, I mean that's a little too much, honestly. For me at least, I mean. For example, every calculation, decreasing or increasing, for every calculation you have to check the boundary of the alphabet, if it is goes down or if it is goes up. Yeah, I am not sure, honestly. Yeah, of course, use B modules, but in C# for negative numbers, modules cannot generate the. For example, -2 module 26 will not generate the 24. If it is not, of course, I will check if it is less than 0 or not. I should also add 26 to that number for every possible equations here. Yeah, let's submit it. I mean, a little bit, maybe it's not a 15 minutes question, I don't know. It's kind of fun, maybe. Difficulty, perfect. SKS 11 CR ideal. I mean, let's check Alice. Or let's check Piaz, for example, here. Oh, here calculates all the things here. Oh, that's nice. I'm a little bit lazy, actually, for that. 5 more minutes, please. I mean, Andre, I cannot make. I don't have a power, even if I create a clash. I wish I give you the 5 minutes more, but there's nothing I can do. Yeah, I mean, the C is the third number probably. And if it is 1, if it is sign in plus, that means I have to plus blah blah blah blah. Yeah. Index of A. Oh, you have to write all the numbers here. And module 26. Yeah, I mean, I tried maybe instead of ASCII calculations, maybe this is the more easier way to write it. Generating all the possibilities and searching is lazy way. Yeah, I mean, since you calculate this one, right? Yeah. That seems nice. Okay, that's nice. Let's back to home. I mean, maybe it's a little bit too much for the 15 minutes. Maybe, I don't know. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copy the link here and updated my command, so you can type !link to the chat to get the current link. And Jay, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream, by the way. Mr. Ideal, welcome, first time to see you, I think. What am I thinking of CodinGame.com compared to your working experience? I mean, not exactly when I do in the working, but I mean, try to solving different kind of problems. It's always fun, actually. Okay, we are now 9 players. Let's launch the clash. Another reverse mode. Ah, my submit button didn't even work. Ah, that sucks. Oof. Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, my submit button doesn't even work as I expected. It is fun. Difficulties, I think, easy. This case, the relevancy are ideal. 44, 46, 48, 49, 54, 1 minute and a half. Yeah, this one is close one, exactly. Why 0? Because input might generate, there might be multiple lines for that. I mean, you only print once here. Looks like it is. I mean, let's check Mega. Yeah, Mega also print. Is this print for every time here? It might not, probably, because there's a multiple possible inputs. You have to write for every one of them. But I mean, for C#, I think it is 49 seconds, even crazy, I think. Because you have to write... I forget the looping part. Exactly, Mega. I mean, let's be honest. For C#, it's 49 seconds. It's crazy, I think. Firas Rohit also solved this one. Only Mr. Ideal. We are waiting for you. Mr. Ideal, are you still clashing, by the way? Is there any chance? Or I think it's kind of solvable in 5 minutes. I mean, you can, if you still continue, I mean, you can wait a little bit more. But for this question, actually, I mean, since you are level 12 here. You can write in the chat, by the way, if you still try to solve it. So I don't want to wait other people, actually. Okay, we can go on. Okay. Okay, let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copied the link and updated my command, so you can type !link to the chat to get the current link. Yeah, we were waiting for you since you are the only one who doesn't submit. Hello Sakar, welcome, first time to see you, I think. Dan, welcome, first time to see you also. Let's invite Alice also, maybe he will join if he is available. Or maybe something other things to do. That's okay. So we are 9 players right now. We are now 10 players. Alice also joined. Okay, let's launch the clash. Program must find the point that is exactly between 2 other points. What? Seems easy. Oops. That is nice. So I can submit. Wow, 2 more C# clashers also. Welcome all. Welcome. There's not much C# people using in the Clash of Code actually. It's kind of fun. Difficulties too easy, I think. Statements and test case relevancy are ideal. Okay, since Ali's waiting so much, he probably writes this one is exactly, maybe blank space. I mean, maybe in brainfuck, maybe in white space. Exactly. He's doing something different. We will know that. I mean, we don't assume that, we will know that. Yeah, he's a pure evil. I was gonna do it white space, but now it will burn up too much time. Yeah, we should let's report him, yeah. Okay, we have only Umbra Torx and Firas waiting. Kaan selamlar, hoş geldin. Nasılsın? İyilik, ben de yoğunum ya gerçekten bu aralar. Bir yerden YouTube, bir yerden Twitch için uğraşmaya çalışıyoruz işte. Bir buçuk ay olmuştur, rahat olmuştur. Umbra Talks 60%, maybe if you can share your code. Maybe you didn't just do it for floating point division, maybe. It might be the reason? Is in Python this do integer doesn't this makes integer division? Tamam Kaan, görüşürüz. This might not be the reason. I mean, actually, even do we even calculate like that? I don't know, honestly. No idea why I did it this way. I mean, this looks weird actually. I mean, maybe 2.0. Maybe we should use here instead of integer division, we have to calculate as a floating point division. That's nice. And Firas also solved this one. It wasn't easy. I mean, actually very easy question. So let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copy the link and updated my command, so you can type exclamation mark link to the chat to get the current clash link. Gileos Hacker, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. Let's invite Alice also. Okay, we have now 10 players. Let's launch the clash. Another reverse mode. Oh, I remember this one. I couldn't solve it in the past. Sahil, welcome. So maybe we just need to find the first string that doesn't the first string of the first character doesn't even end with any of the in the list here. For example, for this one, A plus should be the first string because there is no string that ends with A. Maybe first is as list count. No, not list count. Maybe I just need to parse it. Let's check times the string here. For each var in list. If list var
I wish I could remember it, but it's been a while since everything was okay.
last equal as start, which is the first character. Maybe we just not write it here as a count. Is equal to 0. That means my list. What am I missing here? That means my list. So actually, current string is the first character. There is no other strings in the list that has a last character, right? Yeah, I mean our first is S here and break. You don't need to actually continue. So here var result is, let me check, create a string here. Oh, look, I almost sneezed, but it goes. Result is maybe first here, starting with the first one, while list dot count is bigger than 0. Our current is no, I should delete first one here. List remove, maybe. Let list remove. Mahesh, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Oh, what does the remove takes? It makes remove at remove the item itself. Actually, yeah. First one is, well, let's delete first one because we added the result, and the current one is list var start with the last character of the result right now. Is first is equal to result last Chevik, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. So it will get the first one that characters with this one, and result plus equal to not the current, because the current, for example, a plus and plus minus, I just need to get current substring 1. And I just need to remove that current from the list. Remove current. After while loop, I just need to write console.write line results. This should work, I think. Okay, let's play on test cases. Whoa! Oh my goodness. Wow, it works on the first time. Wow, that's nice. I just submitted maybe. Haha. That's such a nice feeling, I mean, working code at the first time. My code usually doesn't work at the first time, I mean, that's nice. So Ambratorx, Alice, Sahil, Atomic, Firas, Rohit also solved this one. That's nice. That was one you couldn't do before, then this time you nailed it. Awesome. Yeah, I mean, exactly. I remember that I couldn't solve this one at the past. Maybe, is there any better solution? I mean, let's check Alice code, for example. Let's not check Alice code, for example. Check the Python code. Oh, all the strings starts with A here? Oh, I didn't notice that. Oh, all the strings. Oh, so my first block of code doesn't even need it. For example, I try to find with this here. I try to find there is which string that has the first character, but not other strings has a last character. I try to find the first one as the here, for example. Oh, that was completely unnecessary then. Oh, I didn't notice that actually. All the strings starts with A. Oh. Yeah, that will be so much easier. Oh, I didn't even notice that actually. That's nice, I mean. Okay, we have only 3 people left. Oh, how can I didn't even notice that all the strings starts with A? Oh, the rest of one is quite easy actually. I just need to calculate the which strings that starts with the previous ones. Yeah, that seems very easy actually. I just overthink like that. That I try to find which string as a first character that the other strings doesn't have this character as a last character. That sucks. That's fun. Difficulty is perfect. Test case relevancy are ideal. Okay, Gilos also solved this one. I hope I can pronounce your name since you're friends. Gilos maybe, or Gilos, or Gilos. I mean, I have no idea how to pronounce this one. I hope I can pronounce your name correctly. Okay, Mega and Alcito also still clashing here. Okay, we have 30 seconds left right now. Okay, clash ending almost. Why there's no completed? Oh, okay. Maybe you can check other, I mean, Umbratorts or Sahil or Atomic Code also. Is there an limitation on number of hits accepted by Biggie? Okay. Okay, most of the people could solve this one as a time. That's nice. So let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copied the link and updated my command so you can type exclamation mark link to the chat to get the current clash link. Walt seems online, but he will not join probably. Oops. Okay, we have now 10 players. Let's launch the clash. Calvin is a good kid, at least that's what he likes to think. Christmas. Like many other children around the world, Calvin is expecting an amazing present from Santa Claus. However, this year Santa is kind of on a budget and can only afford to give the presents to the G most deserving kids. Select those chosen ones. Santa uses a device called behaviourmeter. Given the name of the child, this device inputs a value based on how well they behave this day. Given the values output by the behavior meter for Calvin and other kids, print whether Calvin will or will not receive a gift this Christmas. Note that since Santa has an overall positive image of Calvin, whenever there is a draw in the scores between Calvin and another kid, Calvin will ranked higher. Okay. Line 1, 2 separated integers, the number of kids and the number of gifts that Santa can afford to give this Christmas. Number of kids, there's a 4 kids here, excluding Calvin. Okay. And the number of gifts that G. So there's a 4 kids. These are the 5 kids here, including Calvin. There's a 2 presents here. So which one is Calvin here, by the way? How can I know which one is Calvin here? Did we know that? I mean, I didn't get the... Oh, there's a... This one is... Oh, this one is... Oh, this one is the Calvin here. So... maybe I should check the higher ones. Higher counts rather than Calvin here. Right. This is the Calvin here. Maybe, for example, terminus int and oops, too much D here. How many gifts are there? There is a 2 gifts, which is G here. So since in equal parts, Calvin has an advantage. So maybe if the gift counts here bigger than, list that counts which counts is no, not like this one. No, actually G bigger than M. This that I should write true. If it is not, I should write false. Is this one? Maybe level test cases. Who were they exactly? Okay, what's the wrong with it? No gift. There's a 3 gift here. This is the 4. Oh, that not this one. I mean, how many times that I is bigger than M, right? How many times? How many people? How many child there is a bigger than M, bigger than Kelvin, which is the gift count here as a G. Okay, let's pick this one. That is perfect, so I can submit it. Had trouble understanding the statement. I mean, the Kelvin has a as a value. All the kids have a value. Actually, you just need to calculate that all the how many kids there is a more valuable than Kelvin. So if it is if there isn't enough presents after the itself, excluding Kelvin, if it is enough to gifts for Santa Claus, that he will give all the children valuable than Kelvin and also Kelvin. You just need to check that actually. I mean, my English is not that good, so I hope I can explain it clearly. It is fun. I like the question itself. Difficulty is perfect. Statements and test case values are ideal. Okay, Alice. A lot of people solved this one actually. Okay, the only dev of victory and waiting for Marco. Gilos, I mean, you don't need to sort that actually. Oh, there is no index calculation like that. The question itself isn't like that. You can check my solution, for example. Atomic, I mean, you can check also Sahil or the other people who solved this one with Python as well. Harika, süper. Iolem, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Marco is 54%. You can check other Python codes, I mean, like Sahil or Firaz. Okay, Dev of Victory, we only waiting for you right now. Oh, you just forget to make less equal instead of less. Yeah. This might be the case actually, yeah. Okay, 4 minutes left. I mean, Dev of Victor, are you still clashing, by the way? Is there any chance you can write on the chat also? I mean, you are probably watching the stream also. Okay, we have only 3 minutes left. I mean, this is kind of sucks actually. I mean, I don't want to wait other people. I don't want to wait other people's for nothing. I mean, but I think it might be the route to pass the next question, since 11 people already completed, but we are waiting for only one person. I mean, I always stuck between these decisions actually. I mean, if you, it's completely okay to someone still try something, but at least you can write in the chat also. So we are not waiting for nothing. You wouldn't wait for nothing actually. I mean, this is my opinion, of course. Yeah, they can submit, but we don't even know actually if he still if he might be still trying something. I mean, plus if he's really trying to do the clash, he is going to be pressured if you only wait for him. I mean, I'm not sure about the pressuring. I mean, it's in everyone's best interest to just go on. Because only point is waiting will be if you really want to see their solution. Yeah, I mean, but okay. I don't feel great actually with that. Okay, let's wait for him 1.5 minutes. Also, there's only left here. Maybe they set a cutoff like when there are only 2 people left. We wait 60 seconds. But as I said, I mean, I don't even know the people levels. I mean, there are a lot of people kind of expert, but there are a lot of people also who just start coding, and I don't want to break the new programmers comes to my stream and I'm not waiting for them. I mean, it's kind of rude actually. It's okay to be as a new programmer in the stream, but I mean, at least you can even write to chat You can even write to chat, okay, I am still trying to do something here and be waiting for you, and that's completely okay, I think. Not a lot of people have the same level of expertise with programming. Okay, the clash is ending right now. So it will also add some timeout. I mean, not probably actually. It will be completed. Should be completed right now because there's also after ending the counters, and there's also, yeah, in 15 seconds. But look at this case. This is the case that I should not like that, because this user doesn't even select the language itself. So we are waited for nothing actually. I mean, I really don't like this kind of situations, because he doesn't even try anything. He doesn't even choose the programming language here. Exactly, it means that never run actually any code. Or maybe for the last few people, only wait if they explicitly ask. It might be the solution, yeah. Okay, but for example, I remember this user actually from starting that one. If he is the last one, I will never wait for him anymore. I mean, we wait for him for nothing actually. I mean, I don't know he's doing on purpose or not, but I mean, it's okay for me. I can wait since I am the streamer, but I don't want to wait you actually. Or maybe just learn from this mistake and don't wait for one person if everyone else did it in fairly short amount of time. But Alice, as I said, I mean, for example, there's a exception cases for the one programmer might be only the beginner. The other ones can be, for example, like ours. For example, we have some experience with Clash of Code, but it would be bad thing for the beginner programmer, I think. I mean, I don't know actually. I think it was pretty easy to make the right call on this one. Yeah, I mean, it's okay for me actually. I can wait since I am the streamer, but I don't want you to wait for nothing actually. Pins, hello, welcome. I totally get what you want to do, feels it's the right thing, but feel like you're prioritizing. Oh yeah, I mean, if it is based on prioritizing, yeah, I done it incorrectly. Yeah, I think how can I say this one as a proper way? I mean, I don't want to get some new programmers that like for the experienced ones. I don't know actually. Maybe we can just together make a decision for it. I don't know. I don't want to be disrespectful to anyone actually in the chat, anyone who joined my streams actually. Okay, you can just type !link to the chat to get the current link. I grant that there is sometimes a fine line between mean and the utilitarian, and ultimately it's up to you which way to go in those situations. I feel better knowing I can struggle on a problem without making other people waiting, but that's my opinion. But I would have bet my money that weren't going to submit anything. Yeah, I mean maybe I don't know, it's some kind of sucks, I mean, as a streamer here, actually. Maybe we can decide together, I mean, I don't know. For example, but this is the guy we are waiting for the last time. If he is still at the last person, I will definitely not wait for him. Okay, this is the 10 players right now. Let's launch the clash. As Alice, I already asked him in the chat. I mean, I said if you still continue, you can just type in the chat. That's okay, that's completely okay, but you have to give some response actually. I already asked him actually. When they said nothing, we should just move on. Yeah, that might be the actually the right way, actually, the right way. I don't know. I will try this one actually when I saw something like situation like that. Okay, abstracts. You must parse IPv4 subnets into CIDR notation and check whether IP addresses are part of a subnet or not. An IPv4 address give 32 bits to represent by 4 periods separated by bit octets. That means can be represented by blah blah blah blah blah blah blah blah blah blah. Okay, the subnet mask in CIDR notation describes a part of an IP address which cannot be changed. Fixed bits. /24 describes 24 fixed bits which cannot change. Okay, the remaining 8 bits are used to generate IP addresses in this subnet. Subnets ask for 24 in binary. Oops, I am dropping some frames. So I'm dropping some frames. I mean, how is the quality of the stream right now. Is everything okay? Oh, that's good. Okay. I thought, yeah, OBS Studio shows some dropped frames, but Steam quality seems okay. No, timer, don't check the timer. Timer sometimes freeze. I mean, it happens all the time. I think this is the for C# actually. This is the some kind of works that I should need the parsing the IP address system.network in namespace, if I remember correctly. Let me solve this one. So what's the meaning of this subset actually here? How can I know there is a subset? So maybe the network addresses for two IP address based on that mask, that subnet mask. Son binici, teşekkürler takibin için, hoş geldin. Yok, Google'larsan tabii belki bulabilirsin bir şeyler de. Önemli olan Google'lamamak tabii bunları. Besides says this question took me a while to understand. Actually, I still cannot say I completely understand it. maybe based on address mask, address bytes in an IP address, for example. I just need to bitwise and IP address the current one and the subnet mask with the current one, and the checked actually as a network address for calculating like that. Maybe we can check the both IP address has the same in the same subnet actually. You can make each IP address and subnet to a binary string of length 32 and compare how many ever digits they want. Kapitan, Kapitan Hook, thanks for follow, welcome to stream. Yeah, I'm not thinking of this actually. Kapitan Hook, you can type exclamation mark link to the chat to get the current clash link. This question is about checking whether the IP address is a part of a subnet or not, as you can see here. I have no idea, honestly. All this one. So, I mean, no, there's no point to wait for myself. Okay, let's wait for 40 seconds, and it's kind of fun. Difficult, I think it's hard question. Seconds as well as ideal. And first 3 block represents IP supernet address, other address with supernet IP3 block answer. Even Alice couldn't solve this one as a perfect way. Yeah, how can I even try to write it in? They never specified what the edge case was, yeah. I think one of the edge case was wrong with this game. Okay, the clash is completed right now. Okay, let's check, for example, this guy again. I mean, go of victory. I am curious about he will even select the programming language or not. Yeah, again, as I said, he just joining, he didn't even select the programming language here. Okay, let's check Sahil code here. As he said, what was he said before that? Where is he? It's something, yeah. You make each IP address and subnet to a binary string of length 32 and compare how many ever digits they want. So you can split here. Okay, maximum length int max len. So split with dot as an S. What is the format here? 8 to 0. Oh, you have to padding probably. Is this padding? Is some kind of padding with binary representation, I think. Yeah, okay. For E in range 4 minus len S. Line 13 converts to an 8-bit binary. Okay, I understand that. So does this one. Let's join S. Okay. For E in range, I didn't get these ones actually. IP plus equal to that many times 0 character. In assumption there might not be the 4 numbers, so on line 14 I'm just adding the remaining numbers. Oh, okay. So 1.10.1 is a 4th number. Oh, okay. Yeah, 0 times 8 is an 8-bit binary for 0, exactly. I understand this one. I think why Ruby IP address library got it wrong too. Alice didn't even share this one, but create user, create and create user. Seems much more like that Ruby standard library is correct over the person who crafted the test case, but who knows? Okay then, I mean, for me it's impossible to solve this one in 15 minutes, actually, honestly. Okay, let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copied the link and updated my command so you can type exclamation mark link to the chat to get the current link. See you, Sahil. Take care. Gne, welcome. First time to see you, I think. Okay, we are now 9 players. That's nice. Let's launch the clash. Intersection over union is known to be a good metric for measuring overlap between two bounding boxes or masks. It is calculated as area of the intersection divided by area of union. You will receive two bounding boxes, xy, y, wy, ay. xy represent top left coordinates, and w high represent the width and the height. Compute to intersection over I didn't get this. Oops, Alice, 0%. Let me guess, you just press the submit, not the play all test cases, right? Um, I'm coming, by the way. I just need a few minutes. Okay, I'm back right now. The question actually seems very good, honestly. I really like this one. Are you on intersection divided by area of the union. So maybe actually we just need to find the area of intersection two bounding boxes, because the union of two bounding boxes, the sum of their boxes as a separate ones, and the minus of the intersection area. Right? I mean, so how can I find the intersection area only? I just need the intersection area only. XY is the represent top left coordinate, and W height represent the weight and height. Okay, these are the can be calculated by the sum of their areas. But how can I find the intersection area of two boxes actually here? And the question itself is really good actually. Wow, day of victory. Just submitted, that's nice. Would you like to participate in a regular competition? JavaScript types to price one. Cyberspace there, I will give you timeout for that. I mean, you can't promote your, I mean, whatever you want actually. Dev of Victory, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream, by the way. Yeah, I mean, I can just solve this one in. Maybe I just need to, as I said, maybe I just need to, since I know both of the boxes weight or height, weight and height, and I just need to calculate the intersection area, because if I know the intersection area, I completely know the union area as well. Maybe some you couldn't pass, maybe some of the validations, since they are different than the test cases. And I like the question itself, but I can't figure out how to solve it properly. Can you solve this one in Python? That's nice. I mean, I definitely can submit it. I couldn't even solve this one in any way. But the question is quite awesome, actually. I mean, I will vote it as awesome. Difficulty, some kind of hard for me, actually. It's test case and statement case are ideal. Okay, let's wait for all the test case, all the people submitted. I need more time. I mean, I wish I can do. I can't do anything for that. I mean, all the private classes are 15 minutes. So Zorks, please hold this one in Ruby. That's nice. Andreas solved this one in 80%, so all other of us are failed. Let's check Caillou's code, for example. Oh. There's a brute force approach, something kind of. I did it dirty. Got a little lost. I just saw. So you have to check here if there's a x1 is less smaller than I and x is smaller than x1 plus weight 1. Okay, and x2 is I between x2 and w2, xi is 1. Oh, that means there is an intersection area of the. I think you just calculate it as an intersection boundaries, like no, yeah, intersection boundaries maybe. Yeah, exactly, these are the intersection boundaries. No, not intersection boundaries, every area in the x coordinate and y coordinate probably. Oh, so you have to calculate the product of them as an intersection area, and you just need to union area with sum of the two one and the minus intersection area, and you just print it divided by. Yeah, exactly, exactly. That seems nice. This is kind of brute force approach, so every other section you are checking in the same is that if it is intersection area or not. Common x and common y's and multiply the have the area, exactly. Nice. Let's check Zork's code. He's writing also. Okay, area is okay. Intersection is 1 w1 and x2 w2 minimum. Oh, minimum of these ones and the maximum of these ones minus multiple by. Oh, you have you actually you actually created top left corner, top right corner, bottom left corner, and the bottom right corner actually, I think, as a possible as an intersection area. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that seems reasonable actually. That seems very logical. Yeah, that's a very nice approach, I mean. Yeah, that seems very good actually. Very nice approach, by the way. So, okay, and let's call the night, guys. I mean, Kyu, Zorxi, Theo, Victory, Andrea, Alice, Gne, Pins, Seaboy, Gilos, Mr. Hydeal. I mean, thank you for all for me joining me today. Yeah, also Grateful Tomato. You will write something before the subnet actually. And Gustav, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream, by the way. I mean, let me check my social accounts here, and you can check my Twitter and YouTube also. And we have our Discord channel as well. Not too many people in there, but if you join, you will get a notification for whenever I start actually. If you want to support my stream, you can always subscribe it also. There's always Twitch Prime subscription are also available, as you know. And thank you so much for all. I mean, I will rate Learn with Leon. There's a ask a question asking in career in tech. Have a questions about career in tech, join our live office hours. Check as written in the title. This channel has follower or subscriber. Okay. That's nice. I mean, thank you so much for all. As I said, I mean, I will stream at tomorrow night probably. Yeah, and I will rate Learn with Leon. And thank you so much for all, and have a good night. Bye bye.